Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna Shivastav and welcome to CodeWithBK. So in this video, we write a function to find the index of the given value in the linked list in C programming. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel. And if this video or if any of my previous video has helped you out, so please do subscribe to my channel. So we have to write a function to find the index of the given value in the linked list in C programming. And in this series about linked list in C programming, we started from the very zero about what are linked lists. We understood what are nodes. Linked list is basically made up of nodes linked together, and this node pointer within a struct node which helps us to go from one node to another is basically linking two nodes together. Okay, and then we saw functions to find the length, get the node at this particular index, print the linked list in reverse using recursion, insert at end, insert at front, insert at an index, delete from front, delete from last, and delete at a given index. Okay, in this video we complete this function find that takes the head of the linked list, the value to be searched, and returns the index where this value is found. If this value is not found in the linked list, it returns -1. Okay, so you can name this function find or index of whatever function name you want to keep. Okay, so suppose if we have a linked list, say 4, and this is my head. Okay, so indices are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I say find 100, okay, so this is my function that takes node pointer and index, okay, and there is a return value. Okay, so for x equal to 100, return value is going to be index 3. For x equal to 27, okay, passing to this function, the return value is going to be 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For x equal to 99, return value is going to be -1 because there is no index that has the value 99 in this case. For x equal to 4, return value is going to be 0. For x equal to 11, return value is going to be 1. For x equal to 13, return value is going to be 2. For x equal to say 1000, return value is going to be -1. Okay, so this function takes the head of the linked list, the value to be searched, okay, and returns the index where that value is found, or -1. Okay, if the value is not found. All right, how do we do this? Is we take a current pointer, okay, starting at the head. Okay, we use this current pointer to traverse the entire linked list. The moment we have the value at this current pointer equal to the value x that we have passed, we return the index. Okay, so we have current pointing to the head pointer, we have I starting at 0. Okay, so the code goes something like this: node current starts at head, then we have int I starts at 0 as long as current is valid. Okay, so this is the same as saying current is not equal to null. In C and C++ programming, the pointer value can decide a true or false condition. So if this pointer evaluates to null, it is null, the condition is going to be false. If this pointer is storing some address not null, this condition is going to be evaluated to true. Okay, so as long as current pointer is not equal to null, is the same as saying while current. If the value at this current pointer is equal to the value that we are looking for, we return the index. Else we move forward, we say current is current dot next and I plus plus, and we finally return -1. Okay, this is our function code. So if this while loop terminates and this condition was never true, it means we did not find the value x in the linked list. Okay, the while loop terminated, current went to null because current started with from head, current went to null. All right, so we return -1 because this value x that we are looking for was not found in the linked list. Okay, so let me quickly try run for x equal to 100. Okay, we have to find x in this list, return the corresponding index where this x is found following this code. So current is at head, we have I equal to 0. Condition we have current is not equal to null. This is the same thing as saying current not equal to null. Current is pointing to the first node head, not null, true. Okay, if current dot x equal to x, current's x is 4, equal to 100, false. Okay, so current's x equal to x is false and current's x is 4. Okay, you skip the if condition, you move on to the next node, current moves on to the next node. Okay, and I plus plus I becomes 1. Right, you go back to check for while loop condition, while current not equal to null, current is pointing here true. Okay, if current dot x equal to x, current dot x is 11, okay, equal to x, 11 equal to 100 is false. You skip this if condition, you move on to the next node using current, and I becomes 2, I plus plus. All right, you go back to check for while loop condition. Current not equal to null, current is pointing to this node, not equal to null is true, current not equal to null is true. If current dot x equal to x, current dot x is 13 now, 13 equal to 100 is false. We skip this if part, current is current dot next, and I plus plus I becomes 3. Okay, so you see at every iteration I and current basically point to the same node. I is storing the index of the node where current is pointing to. Okay, you go back to check for while loop condition. Current not equal to null is true because current is pointing to this node with the value 100. Current dot x equal to x, current dot x is 100 equal to x, 100 equal to 100 in this case is true. So we return I, which is 3. So for 100 we return 3, which is we were supposed to do function terminates. Okay, so quickly coding this, finally we return -1. Okay, so in my main I have this linked list for 11 13 127 null. We are at, okay, so gcc ll find -o gcc ll find /ll find. Okay, so we get this linked list, and then we can use our find code. So we can look for the value int x equal to say 100. So print f %d found at %d. So say x find pass head and x. Okay, right, so you'll say 100 found at 3 index is correct. Let me just change a line so that we have a better output. 100 found at 3, then we can say, we can set the value of x to now say maybe 13, missed a semicolon. 13 found at 2 index 2. Okay, you can say x equal to 4, run this again. Found at 0. Okay, you can look for 27, and you can also look for the value left is 11, and let's take another value, say maybe 400, which is invalid. So clear, compile and run. 100 found at 3, 13 found at 2, 4 found at 0, 27 found at 4, 11 found at 1, 400 found at -1, the way we expected. Okay, if you change this to another value, say 190, you still will not find it. Okay, all right, so this was the function to find the index of the given value in the linked list in C programming, and I hope you like this video. This was helpful. So if there is any doubt, this is a part you do not understand, please let me know in the comments. I always try to answer all your comments, and you can also let me know in the comments if there's a question you want to solve or if there's a concept you want to discuss. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.